It is the oldest DIY pest hack in the Prepper Handbook. When an ant colony invades your stockpile, the internet tells you to mix these two household powders together. But what most people don't realize is that this cheap, off-grid bug killer is actually a chemical double-edged sword. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today, we are exposing the shocking truth about sugar and borax for ants. Let's go. On the surface, the chemistry is brilliant. It acts as a Trojan horse for your home. You mix the sweet sugar with the borax powder and add a little water. The ants are lured in by the high-calorie sugar. They consume the liquid and carry it deep into the colony to feed the queen. Once ingested, the borax completely destroys their digestive tracts from the inside out, collapsing the entire nest in a matter of days. But here is the critical warning that gets ignored. Borax is a highly toxic element. In a grid-down scenario where hospitals are closed, a dog, a cat, or a small child ingesting this sweet paste can face severe vomiting, neurological issues, and extreme dehydration. Furthermore, if you wash this mixture out into your yard, the boron completely scorches the earth, permanently poisoning the soil where your survival crops need to grow. True preparedness means understanding the chemical consequences of your tools. Use this mixture with extreme isolation, or stick to strict sanitation to keep pests away. Knowledge is survival. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore off-grid tactics, and I'll see you next time.